Jobs Vocabulary Part 2. From G to L. G. Gardener, gardener. Game designer, game designer. Golfer, golfer. Governor, governor. One that governs as one that exercises authority, especially over an area or group. Guide, guide. Garbage man, garbage man. Geographer, geographer. Geologist, geologist. Is an expert in the field of geology, the study of what the earth is made of and how it was formed. Graphic artist, graphic artist or graphic designer. Grocer, grocer. Gem cutter, gem cutter or faceter, faceter. A person who cuts and polishes facets on colored gemstones. H. Hairdresser, hairdresser. Handyman, handyman or handy woman, handy woman. Harpist, harpist. High school principal, high school principal. Hostess, hostess. Hunter, hunter. I. Importer, importer. A person or organization that brings goods or services into a country from abroad for sale. Instructor, instructor. The title for an individual responsible for teaching students in a particular subject area. Interpreter, interpreter. A person who translates orally for people speaking different languages. Inventor, inventor. A person who invents, especially one who devises some new process, appliance, machine, or article. Insurance agent, insurance agent is a professional who makes sure individuals are protected from life-threatening illness or unfortunate accidents. Investigator, investigator. A person whose job is to examine a crime, problem, statement, etc. in order to discover the truth. Intern, intern. An advanced student or graduate, usually in a professional field, such as medicine or teaching. Gained supervised practical experience, as in hospital or classroom. Illustrator. A person who draws or creates pictures for magazines, books, advertising, etc. The difference between an artist and an illustrator. An artist is a person who is involved in works that are done as an expression of emotion. An illustrator's work is to make promotions for a particular product or concept or a theme. J. Jailer. Jailer. Janitor. Janitor. Jeweler. Jeweler. Joiner. Joiner. A joiner works with timber to create a variety of structures integral to many buildings. This can include staircases, windows, doors, furniture, and more. As a joiner, you will make and install these structures and fittings in the correct locations. Journalist. Journalist. Journeyman. Journeyman is an experienced worker whose role will vary on the line of industry where one is involved. They work without supervision from a master craftsman. Most of their responsibilities will revolve around performing manual work such as carpentry, plumbing, electrical and mechanical tasks, and other forms of trade. Judge. Judge. Jockey. Jockey. L. Lumberjack. Lumberjack. Lawyer. Lawyer. Librarian. Librarian. Lecturer. Lecturer. Librettist. Librettist is a person who writes the words that are used in an opera or musical play. Lyricist. Lyricist. A lyricist writes the words or lyrics to a song. They typically collaborate with a composer or songwriter who creates the music to accompany the lyrics. Laborer. Laborer. A person doing unskilled manual work for wages. Landlord. Landlord is the owner of a house, apartment, condominium, land or real estate which is rented or leased to an individual or business who is called a tenant or renter. Laundress. Laundress is a laundry professional who specializes in the overall care of clothing, linens, towels, and related items of a private residence. Landscaper. Landscaper someone who designs a garden, yard, patio, or another outdoor space. The difference between gardener and landscaper. Landscapers often describe gardeners as plantsmen because a gardener is focused on the health and well-being of plants, whereas landscapers are typically involved in outdoor building work such as driveways, patios, walls, etc. Hard landscaping. So, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel and you find what I present is so useful for you, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get all my updates. Thanks for watching.